In this video, I will show you how to find Instagram friends on Threads. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up Threads on your device. And from here, if you've got your Threads account already, what you're going to want to do is come to your profile icon down in the bottom right hand corner, and it's going to take you across to your profile. Now from here, if you look in the top left hand corner, you've got a picture of like a globe. So you want to press onto that and then go ahead and select profiles you follow. So at the top of the page, you've got three options. You've got followers, penned in, and follow in. So what you want to do is click onto follow in, and underneath you're going to see some text. At the end of the text, it says see all. So if you actually press onto this is going to bring up the accounts that you currently follow on Instagram. So this is how you can go ahead and find your friends from Instagram on Threads. And what you can do is just, of course, click the follow button next to each profile to follow them on Threads. If you want to follow all the profiles, just go ahead and press the follow all button down at the bottom, and once that's done, click done in the top right hand corner, and that's how you go ahead and find your Instagram friends on Threads. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.